Good morning, students. Our today's chapter is 47. Words for water in motion. जब पानी मोशन में होता है तो उनको क्या कहा जाता है? सबके अलग अलग नेम हैं. Match the words for water in motion with the definitions. Definitions: a large amount of fresh water flowing in a long line across the land, which is number 3. This is river. A small narrow river is stream. Groundwater flows out of the ground. Number 10 is rapid. A small natural stream of fresh water is called number 6 spring. This is fresh और natural water होता है, इसको बोलते हैं spring. E. A hole in the earth's surface from which hot water and steam are forced out. Number 8, glacier, like this. A part of river where the water flows very fast, usually over rocks. Number 5, brook. Water that falls from the clouds in small drops. This one is rain. So rain कहते हैं. Water that falls from the clouds. बादलों से जो पानी गिरता है small drops, छोटी छोटी बूंदों में, उसको rain कहते हैं. Light rain falling in fine drops. Number 9, drizzle. What we will call drizzle. Last one, a brief, usually light fall of rain. Number 7 is shower. This is, so learn about this. And next chapter is 48, personal care. Personal hygiene makes you feel good about yourself and keeps you free of bacteria, virus and illnesses. Here are tips for personal hygiene that you must follow routinely. Bathing hygiene. Shower daily. Rinse out all the soap. A daily shower is a must whether you feel grungy or not. A regular bath every morning and after athlete activities help in keeping you clean, fresh and odor-free. Cleaning your body is also important to help your skin stay healthy and refreshed. Do not share your towel. अपना टॉवल किसी से शेयर नहीं करना चाहिए. Brushing hygiene. Brush your teeth twice a day, every morning and night for at least 3 to 5 times. Gently brush the outer tooth surfaces of 2 to 3 teeth with a vibrating back and forth motion. Clean every part of teeth with scrubbing motion like this, and you should do every day. Use an antimicrobial mouthwash. Clean and brush the surface of your tongue daily. Nail hygiene. Keeping your finger and toenails trimmed and in good shape. Trim them weekly and brush them daily with soap so that no dirt or residue remains beneath the nail. Fingernails should be trimmed straight across and slightly rounded at the top, whereas toenails should be trimmed straight across. The best time to cut your nails is after bathing. Oral hygiene. Drink plenty of water. Brush and floss regularly. Treat any existing oral diseases. Visit your dentist every 6 months. Eat crunchy fruits and vegetables. Cut out coffee. Hair hygiene. Washing your hair at least every other day is important to keeping your hair and scalp healthy and in good shape. Get a haircut frequently for healthy hair. Okay. Clothes hygiene. Wear a fresh set of clothes as often as possible. Dirty clothes can cause every serious skin diseases if worn without washing them. Wear a clean pair of socks every day. Okay. Learn these personal cares Get plenty of rest, 8 to 10 hours at night, a night, so that you are refreshed and are ready to take on the day every morning. Wear light and loose fitting clothes while sleeping at night. Thank you. Have a nice day.